How to change the League of Legends language to Chinese. First, open Riot Client. You must have signed in with the account that are registered with your League of Legends account. At the top right corner, you will find your profile icon. Click on here and go to settings. And here, if you must need to select League of Legends, and at the first you will see the game text language. From here you can find the Chinese language at the bottom of this drop down menu. Select it and you can easily change the language of your League of Legends account to Chinese. That's pretty simple process. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a like, subscribe and hit on the bell icon. We will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.